guys, so coming to you with a little collection of Magnolia Pearl. There is more coming next week, so if there's nothing in this little video to spark your joy, next week there'll be more. Just great t-shirts. Love that she's doing solids in great new shapes. Gorgeous Dylan t-shirt dress. Adorable little Cupid, right? Yeah, Cupid. And then fan favorite, the Lana tank dress in a beautiful print. These high-low Adison Work Shirts are just so adorable. When can I keep them in stock? Pink. And this gorgeous, I'm gonna call it marmalade color. I don't know what it is, but it's just beautiful. Guys, these are the cutest minor pants, I think so far, maybe because they're black and gray, so they're resonating with me. And now to what I'm wearing, the gorgeous Eyelet Selah blouse. It is so ethereal, but still not so ultra feminine that even I can't pull it off. You can wear it both ways, unsnap in the front, or the way I have it, tag in the back, and then a fantastic slip, great alone under. This jacket is actually the same jacket that is on the end cap. So it is completely reversible. The inside, Life Surfer. Can you see that? And I'm going to show you a close-up of the other side. And a close-up of my shirt. So welcome to our little collection of Magnolia Pearl. Hop online. Until next time.